Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your name in Among Us Mobile. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the game. Tap on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just wait for it to sign you in. Once signed in, you can now go ahead and go to My Account right here. Tap on it, tap on Account. In here, as you can see, we have the Change Name option. So what you'll do is just tap on it. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and randomize your name. If not, you can now go ahead and tap on the text box, press backspace or X, now change it whatever you want. Type down your desired username, and then once done, if it's available, just hit on done right here, confirm. It says here, my username is now changed to Made for Money. All right, and that is it. After that, nothing else that needs to be done. Just hit on play and enjoy. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.